Not everywhere can you find a warm and safe sleeping spot like lying with Doggo Right Cat.
No, and you're pushing it down. It goes up, up, up. Come on, there we go. Your head. Up, up, up. There we go.
What? You rang?
We can finally imagine what the senior years of this hyperactive duo will look like, huh? Someone is on high alert, but their natural curiosity is clearly winning over that fear.
Kelly!
Say what?
Just say what? Do you hear it?
Los animales del monte hallan a los chiquiticos en los trinos.
You can just hide them.
Kiddo want to compliment the chef, but your eating capacity can't tell, and you gotta do this, huh? Kittens are usually far less cautious around dogs, and it's always this level of pure curiosity. Dogs are so friendly and incredibly patient with kittens. See you in the next episode.
Dude, shake. Good. High five. High five. Super high five. Good kitty.
She wants this juice. Her sister is now sharing in the spoils.
Swallow Kitty to protect her with your entire body. This is so creative, doggo.
통과할 수 있었습니다. 검거 당시에 압수된 마약만 무려 49억 상당의 공범만
Every girl dreamed of dressing up as a princess, and this little lady is no exception. They aren't even trying to look cool with bossy attitude and gangster vibe, they just are. Smart people know that once you're caught red-handed, there's no point in pretending anymore. I bet many piano beginners might feel intimidated by this natural talent.
Oh my god!
Is there any door that can challenge this guy? Just a locked one. When brains and agility are combined the right way, you're never going hungry. Maybe cat stuff makers should upgrade the difficulty of these toys. Even with the average IQ of a 2-year-old, cats have their genius moments too. See ya!
Get him.
My man gives real.
Kitten's tiny cuteness really makes dogs want to protect and stick to them anytime. This isn't just an ASMR milk drinking video from a tiny food blogger, indeed.
Oh my god.
What the hell? What? Stop.
Everyone gets addicted to TikTok. Even this guy's FYP is full of his target content.
Bekle. Terbiyesiz olma, tamam mı? Bekle kızım. Ama çatalla. Konuşmuştuk. Alamıyor musun? Aferin.
Although he's sneaky eating, have to admit this guy is very mindful. This fella seems way too used to being a mannequin for the cat's grooming obsession.
Funny little.
Gym bros, come learn from this fellow. He's got the real bar skills. Every playful kitten truly needs a dog who is indulgent and patient like this.
Súbete a tu patineta. ¡Ay! ¡Ay, David! ¡Ay!
I know you lying. You don't want to be here no more.
Oh. Oh.
Are you so bored with the flavors of the world that you decided to taste yourself instead?
Does anybody else's cat like to just sit up and watch them cook? Or is it just ours?
Hey. Say hi.
Is there anyone around? No one, good. My chance has finally come.
Ай, умный котяра.
Why asking a person for toilet paper and getting judged when this genius can actually help?
No, you can't have that. You gotta ring the bell. Ring the bell. No, you do. Good boy. Oh, good boy.
Someone's like a toddler who played too hard and crawled back to parents for a nap.
Oh.
Eating in front of cats. The default portion is already 50-50 in those furballs' eyes.
Cookie, that's your baby.
You gonna be nice?
She wants to play with the baby.
This cat looks at her friend like, is that all you've got?
In New York City, FBI Director Cash Patel inviting Swalwell to sit down with the agency to discuss the allegations and also encouraging those with relevant information to come forward.
See? Never let these kiddos' tiny size fool you whenever there's a sudden mess in the house. Now you know why these furballs are often compared to secret agents. Get off me, you Sheba! I know you dig me, but this is literally suffocating.
It's the kitty bed. It's actually his bed. Carrie, you're on his head! Oh my goodness!
You're caught red-handed using your superior balance for all the wrong reason, kiddo. This kiddo's like, oh, am I busted? Well, I don't care.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
Come here. Come here.
That's not good. Can you get down? Can you get down? Good job. You're very graceful. I brought food.
Being chosen by kittens isn't always a good thing because you basically become their bed instead. Sleeping near a cat is a truly healing and comforting experience, isn't it, doggo?
Can you turn it back on? Turn it back on. Good girl.
Even the most carefree kittens are just like kids. There's always a boogeyman that scares them.
Thank you.
Being a good climber isn't enough. Using the terrain to save energy like this, girly is also important.
Can you believe that, Macy? What did you just do?
Dogs are naturally alert, but their bestie cat can pretty much do whatever they want.
Un masajito de espalda.
I've yet to see a flying cat. Their potential is truly unpredictable.
Eddie?
You like your belly rub? What face is that? Why do you do it? Are you just stuck in that face?
Kittens are naturally high energy, so when they're happy, they get hyped easily and need an immediate outlet.
At this time, you are sleeping. It's not possible. Don't, no. Get up from the bed.
This orange fella must be dreaming that he's a master chef making a fresh batch of biscuits. It's literally just like adults acting like fools to entertain tiny toddlers, right? Oh my god, an intruder! What is this tiny little thing? Zero threat. Right now, girl better get a good lock for your valuables at home.
She goes up to Milo, my other cat, like, oh my god. Oh my god.
Looks like someone has officially accepted their fate as an accidental foster dad.
Murdoch. Get off my kitten.
Okay, so this is the banana and this is the apple. Show me the banana.
Good morning, kitties. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Smart people aren't just successful troublemakers, but know exactly when to strike like Buddy on the left. Girl's really bright when drink from the faucet without getting wet. Someone is so obsessed with controlling their surroundings that they actually mastered this skill. Let this little boy show you a smooth way to handle them.
Potem ciężko ja mówię, dawaj. Dawaj, Marcel, dawaj.
This is pure comfort zone for a guy who's obsessed with cleanliness and loves being groomed. Really hard to tell who's the real homeowner here. Personally, I'm guessing it's this cat. Having a pet like this is worth it. He takes on his mission like it's second nature. Not some kind of secret collaboration is happening in this house or anything. Human feet are just one of many weird objects you'd rarely expect to attract kittens' attention. When you're too used to a nonchalant dude and that furball's affection hits out of nowhere. To measure your bond with a cat, a sensitive spot like the ears is a must. Oh my god, you scared me. I gotta go hide. Boo! Scared yet? Wait, where are you? See you next time.
I'm recording it. I'm gonna show you the picture. He's going again! You costed my water bill!
Where's Marky? I can't breathe.
Time for their favorite show.
Yan, dyan, dito. Yan. Baba. Dito. Dito, yan. Yan. Yan, sige. Dito.
First time met someone more obsessed with grooming than you are is kinda surprising, isn't it, Kitty? Looks like Kiddo's struggling to choose between catching the ball and maintaining that famous feline skillfulness.
Sing for me, my angel! Yes, sing! Sing for me!
哎，你刚刚睡醒，我来啦。
When you really want something, your brain works harder than usual. See? They're just like human babies, only with much softer fur and no pacifier needed. Blankets are just for staying warm. Nah, it's also for treating itchy teeth to this kitty. That's why I always believe we will have a moo chef soon.
Add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with, but don't overdo it or you'll throw off the balance.
This little furball's independent streak kicked in way too early. He knows how to keep himself entertained.
I would never fall in love.
Turns out everyone sits still when it's... Even the laws of gravity can't compete with a cat's unique way of moving. Test a creature with sharp instincts and hearing, then think of a tougher game. So this is why the water bowl sometimes looks like it hasn't even been touched at all.
He bit her nose. Why is he so bad? Yep, squish him. That works.
Just one look and this guy know how to boost each other's spirits.
Ready?